Welcome to our video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can arise when working with Haskell functions. The problem centers around the use of Fmap on a function called foo and the unexpected type signature that results from this operation. It may seem confusing at first, but fear not, we'll break it down step by step to understand what's going on here. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we encountered earlier. When we apply Fmap on the function foo, we actually select the functor instance for functions, where Fmap is equivalent to function composition. Specifically, the type signatures we're examining are foo, number x equals px, and Fmap foo, functor f, number b, equals fafb. By unifying these types, we find that x corresponds to fa, leading to the resulting type signature of number fa, functor f, number b, equals pfb. In summary, we've delved into a problem involving the use of Fmap on a function in Haskell, which led to an unexpected type signature. Through our exploration of the solution, we uncovered the mechanics behind the type unification process that determines the final type. We hope you found this journey through Haskell types both enlightening and entertaining. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious and keep coding.